In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to sign up for Buildium Property Management account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to buildium.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description below. From here, it should be looking something like this. And as you can see here, you can read a little bit more about this software and you can buy it now. You can get a free trial, schedule a demo, or sign in. For this tutorial, I'll be showing you step by step how to sign up. So we're going to choose free trial up here. From here, you'll need to add in your first name, your last name, and of course your business email. Then from here, you need to click by submitting this form, I consent to the use of my contact information in accordance with the Buildium privacy policy. From here, you'll just need to click create your free trial. From here, you'll need to add in a company name. You'll need to add in your phone number, the number of units that you own, the portfolio type where you can choose between rental and association, and associations. And down here you'll need to add in a password. Once you've done all that, you need to click by submitting this form, I consent to the use of my contact information of accordance with the Buildium privacy policy. Then from here you need to click create your free trial. From here you can see you'll get a thank you letter. And once that is done, you'll go inside of the Buildium dashboard. I hope this helps. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!